everybody, we're gonna do some really easy coleslaw. So what you need is, if you have a food processor, just put your shredder blade in it. If not, just use your grater. I've already done my carrots, but just plop in your cabbage. And shred it. Then my aunt always filled her sink with white vinegar and placed her blades and stuff in there. Something about the cabbage and the smell. So just get a bowl and put your cabbage in. Then you're gonna put on your next blade. Okay, come on. Jeez. And drop it in. And this is just gonna cut it up in smaller pieces. And just pulse it a couple times. Okay. Okay, get in a bowl. Drop that in the vinegar. Okay. Pour the cabbage in. Like I said, I did my carrots before, so I'll just put a little in there. And just mix it up. Now you're gonna put some pepper. Some salt. Probably a teaspoon. About a teaspoon of sugar. And a tablespoon of cider vinegar. And then you're gonna add your Duke's mayonnaise. A little at a time, just so you see where you are. Just mix it all up. Put that in with the vinegar. Okay. A bit more. I'm gonna pull out some pulled pork tonight and have that in coleslaw. Now you want this wet, but not soaking wet. And take your taste test and see if you need to put any more pepper, salt, sugar. I think I'm just gonna put just a little more vinegar, probably a half a tablespoon. And then just refrigerate this till you're ready for supper. Cover it. Let's see. That's it. This is so much cheaper than buying a container of it. Just wrap up the rest of your cabbage, use it for something else, or make more coleslaw. And I will be back in a little while. I'm gonna be making chocolate eclairs for dessert tonight. So I'll see you then. Please subscribe. I have like maybe 65% of my watchers aren't subscribed yet. So please subscribe. And thanks again for watching, sharing, and commenting. And I'll be back with the chocolate eclairs.